Okay, I can't give up after all this. They've worked so hard on my party. How can I let them down?
Hello there, Mutlu. This looks like a big party. Who's it for exactly?
It's all for me, Mr. Emin. No one knows I know about it.
Don't worry, Mutlu. I won't say anything.
Welcome, all of you fine folk. I'd like to take a moment and explain to you why you're all here gathered today for this incredible auspicious occasion.
Wait a sec, Dad. No, Daddy. I can't do this anymore. I can't go. I'm way too young. I can't be away from you for that long. I also couldn't close my backpack. I can't carry it around. How can I carry it? I can't go that far. The book was really great. I was so impressed. But I'll go around the world some other time. I'm sad to say that I changed my mind about going around the world in 80 days.
You were gonna go on a journey?
You were actually going to tour the world in 80 days?
Mutlu, dear, we are so surprised. We didn't know that you were planning this journey.
Mutlu, did you think that we were planning this party for you?
Minnie and Manny are going back to their own planet. You know this party is for them.
It's for them? Minnie and Manny are leaving? What are we gonna do without them? I'll miss you more than anything, you guys.
Don't get upset, Mutlu. We'll be back. But right now, we have an adventure of our own that we need to get back to.
So, you planned on having a journey yourself? We can do that together. What do you think?
Wait a minute. I'll be right back.
Return as soon as possible. We still have so many things to show you on our planet. There are fairy chimneys and the travertines.
The 7 wonders of the world.
You are so funny, Mr. Kenan. Always joking and having fun all of the time.
Of course, sir, of course, of course. Keep laughing, mister.
Okay, guys. I want to give you my book as a present. You can read it on the way. Take my map, too. It wouldn't have been complete without you. And when you come back, we can go on our adventure.
That's right. So now let's cut this delicious cake.
I'm sorry, but we gotta go. I want to thank all of you for everything.
You have become family to us. We love you all so much. Thank you again, guys.
Goodbye, everyone. We'll be back before you know it.
How could this be possible, Mr. Kenan? Where's the rope? Are they really flying into outer space?
How is that so?
It's cool. They'll explain.
We'll answer your questions.
Every last one of them.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie,